Hey friends, if you wish to enable and use panning hand in Microsoft Office apps like Word, PowerPoint and Excel, then please watch this video. The procedure will remain same for Excel and PowerPoint, but I'll show it on Microsoft Word only. So click on this downward pointing arrow here. It's called Customize Quick Access Toolbar. Then select More Commands. Now there's something called as Choose Commands. So click on this and select Commands Not in Ribbon. Okay, so once you select this, you'll have to scroll down to panning hand and then select panning hand and then click on add and click on OK. Now when you click on OK, you'll get the panning hand here. Now I'll tell you why, because this way we cannot drag what do we say anything in Microsoft Word. All we can do is change the cursor and then write at that certain position. We cannot use this cursor for dragging. Yes, we can use the scroll wheel, but that too up to a limit. Click on the spanning hand. Now we get this hand like symbol here, and now see what it does. I start pushing it down, and then it's when I push it up, it goes down. When I push it down, it goes up. Okay, as if it has stuck to the system and I am moving the page up and down with my own hand. Okay, so this is what the panning hand feature does. And if you wish to disable it, click on this symbol once again and it's disabled. Was this helpful? If yes, then please subscribe to the channel, and if not, then let us know in the comment section of this video on how we could help you further. Thank you for watching this video and have a nice day.